January 28th, 2023. It's about 8 o'clock at night, and it's not done snowing at all. The cat just wanted to go out, so that's cat footprints. But I'm going to sweep the deck again for like the 20th time. But it's snowing a lot. My car is pulled way up so we can get all the cars in the driveway because the city is saying that we have to, otherwise we'll get a ticket and fines. And they'll make a big, huge pile of snow around our car that we'll have to dig out, and it'll be frozen. Well, I wanted it to snow, so thank you, Goddess. Grateful for you here at your service.